Good day! This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we have here a comparison review of the MD3 Max smartwatch with our branded HAYLOU RT smartwatch. Okay, so this one and this one, we're going to check on the features and the menus offered in this wearable compared to the HAYLOU RT smartwatch. As you can see, both are circular smartwatch and both do have a sporty look and feel. So if you have any questions regarding this video, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so we have here the smartwatch on our left side. We do have the MD3 Max. Okay, it is a sporty looking smartwatch, while here on our right side we do have the HAYLOU RT smartwatch. Okay, so both are circular smartwatch, okay, as we stated, but with a different approach, okay, when it comes to design. Okay, so this one, the MD3 Max, do have a much bigger frame, okay, body, compared to the HAYLOU RT smartwatch. Okay, so let's check out the weight here. Okay, so which is heavier? So let's check. Okay, for the MD3 Max, we have, okay, 62, while for the RT, a lightweight smartwatch, okay, we do have 49. We can round it up to 50. So 10 grams, okay, to 12 grams, okay, heavier compared to the HAYLOU RT smartwatch. Okay, so for the display screen, both do have a circular screen display, as you can see, but the HAYLOU RT do have a much smaller screen. Okay, no support for rotating crown bezel. Okay, just pusher buttons here. This is the home button, and this one is a return button, I think, or sports. Okay, let me see. Okay, it's for the sports. Okay, while for the MD3 Max, we do have a functional rotating crown button. Okay, you can cycle to the different menus, and we have a return button here. Okay, so for the menus here, so let's check. Okay, swipe, and we have here the menus: beats per minute, SpO2. Okay, this one, the MD3 Max, has a blood pressure monitoring, also have a sports, okay, music control, sleep. Okay, and that's it for the HAYLOU RT. So limited functionality, but I think the heart rate is much, okay, precise. So let's see. Okay, so let's try. Okay, go for the heart rate. It's a little bit laggy for the MD3 Max here. The operation of the menus is not that smooth. Okay, there's somewhat a delay. So where's that heart rate? Okay, it's here. Okay, for the heart rate here, okay, automatic. So let's try, let's check. Okay, we have here the heart rate. The other one, let's see. Let's set it properly. It's per minute. Okay, so let's see. They have similar animation here. Okay, so we already have the results for the MD3 Max. We do have 73. Okay, and we have 70. For the HAYLOU RT, it is around 76. Okay, 75. That's it. So it is continuous monitoring. It's almost okay. 73. So it's not that far compared to the MD3 Max. But I think the HAYLOU RT do have a much okay precise heart rate monitoring. Okay, so it is branded or it has a brand. So I think it is much better. Okay, heart for the sports. Let's see. So we do have fast walking, also have running here. Okay, biking, climbing, spinning, yoga, indoor running, gymnastic, basketball, rowing. Okay, so for the sports function, it goes to the HAYLOU RT. It is a much okay comprehensive list of sports. Okay, for example, whether you have running, let's see for the running there, or just jogging. Okay, so let's see if we do have running. So as you can see here, both do have a heart rate monitoring, a distance, but no calories here for the HAYLOU RT. I don't know why they did not include a calorie counter here, but they have also the both do have a time. Okay, time monitoring. Okay, going back. Okay, going back. What else are the features here? Do have sleep. Okay, let's check for the sleep. So it also monitors for the light sleep and deep sleep. The same with this one, light sleep and deep sleep, as well as the time. Okay, going back. Almost have the same UI here. Music settings. There's no blood pressure for the HAYLOU RT. Okay, we do have Bluetooth camera, Bluetooth music control also. We do have for the HAYLOU RT. More stopwatch, countdown, find phone, breathing guide. We do have a breathing guide. So there's no menu selection for the HAYLOU RT, but we do have it here in the MD3 Max. Okay, so that's it for the different menus being offered for each wearable. See, this one, it supports Bluetooth call. This one, it is just message notifications. Okay, for the design again, let's have a closer look. Okay, so this one, the MD3 Max, it supports wireless charging. So this one, it uses a magnetic pogo pin charging cable. Okay, so this one is combination of metal, maybe zinc alloy, and PC material. For the HAYLOU RT, we do have a unibody plastic case or frame. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding the comparison review of these two wearables, just drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Goodbye.